Oh, thanks, Dads.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna do something I never thought I'd be able to do. I'm gonna teach Kung Fu. You guys, your real strength comes from being the best you can be. So who are you? What are you good at? What do you love? What makes you, you? Yes, good, good. Again. Good, again. Good, good, good. Again. Faster, faster! Swirl those ribbons! Hug that log, you! Hug that log like it's the last time you're ever gonna hug it goodbye forever. Higher, and a little more to the left this time. You can do it! I don't want to see any of these hit the ground. Shazam! Good. Try it with this. Now try it with these. Good. Now try it with these.
Oh.
Ow!
What?